Wait. Before you even think about clicking buy on that M4 or M5 iPad Pro, you need to see what Samsung has been cooking behind closed doors. We are officially in 2026, and the leak gates have just burst wide open. Welcome back to TechVibe. Today, we're diving into the absolute beast that is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. We're talking about a device that doesn't just want to be your tablet, it's coming for your laptop, your desktop, and maybe even your gaming rig. From a grade 5 titanium chassis to a display that literally puts everything else to shame, this is the most ambitious piece of hardware Samsung has ever built. If you want to know why professional creators are already canceling their orders for the competition, stay tuned. You do not want to miss the neural Dex breakdown coming up later in this video. Now, let's get into the meat of it. We've seen the Tab S11 Ultra dominate the late 2025 market, but the S12 Ultra is a different breed. The first thing that will hit you, quite literally, is the design. For the first time, Samsung is reportedly ditching the armor aluminum for a grade 5 titanium frame. Why does this matter? Because a 14.6-inch tablet is a massive footprint. By moving to titanium, Samsung is making this giant significantly lighter and more rigid. It's thinner than a notepad but feels like a tank. But the real shocker? The notch. It's gone. After years of that little cutout for the selfie cameras, the S12 Ultra is finally adopting an under-display camera system that actually works. We're talking about a seamless, edge-to-edge 14.6-inch tandem OLED panel. And it's not just any OLED. This is a 2800 nit peak brightness beast. For the creators in the US and Europe who work outdoors or in bright studios, this is the holy grail. No more squinting, no more glare, just pure, vibrant 120 Hz perfection. Under the hood, Samsung is not playing games. While the S11 series experimented with different chips, the S12 Ultra is coming globally with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This isn't just a mobile processor, it's a silicon monster. Early benchmarks floating around the tech forums show this chip rivaling Apple's M series in multi-core performance. And for the first time, we are looking at a base model with 16 GB of RAM, with a top-tier variant packing a massive 24 GB of RAM. In a tablet. Let that sink in for a second. That is more memory than most high-end MacBooks currently sitting on shelves. This leads us to the biggest software shift we've seen in a decade, neural Dex. We've all used Samsung Dex before, it's good, but it always felt like a mobile version of a desktop. Not anymore. With One UI 8.5, Samsung is introducing a hybrid kernel that allows the Tab S12 Ultra to run a desktop-class environment with zero lag. It's designed to handle heavy video editing in 8K and complex coding environments without breaking a sweat. If you're a pro user in a premium market, this is the moment the tablet as a laptop dream actually becomes a reality. Let's talk about the S Pen Pro 3. This is where the magic happens for artists. The latency has been slashed down to a near impossible 2 milliseconds. But the real vibe here is the haptic feedback. The pen now vibrates subtly to mimic the texture of the brush or pencil you're using on the screen. If you're drawing on a digital canvas, it will actually feel like paper. It sounds like a gimmick until you try it, and then you can't go back. Battery life is always the elephant in the room. Samsung is rumored to be packing a 12,000 mAh cell inside this ultra-thin chassis. But the real upgrade is the charging speed. We are finally seeing a jump to 80W fast charging. In the US, where we're used to the slower 45W caps, this is a massive win. You'll be able to juice up this massive screen from 0 to 50% in about 20 minutes. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds expensive. And you're right. For the US market, we're looking at a starting price of around $1,299. It's a premium price for a premium audience. But when you consider that this replaces your iPad, your Kindle, and your MacBook Air, the math starts to make sense for a lot of power users. But wait, there's one more thing. The Vision AI. Samsung is integrating Galaxy AI 3.0, which allows the tablet to use its rear sensors to scan 3D environments in real time. Think of it as professional-grade LiDAR for architects and interior designers, but integrated directly into your workflow. It can measure rooms, create CAD/CAM models on the fly, and even suggest furniture layouts using AI. Everything we've seen points to a launch window in early 2026, likely alongside the S26 smartphone series. If you've been holding out for a tablet that can actually do it all, the S12 Ultra is the one you've been waiting for. It's faster, brighter, and smarter than anything we've seen from the competition. The landscape of mobile computing is changing fast, and the Tab S12 Ultra is leading the charge. But I want to hear from you. Is the removal of the notch enough to make you switch? Or is that $1,299 price tag a deal breaker? Drop a comment below. I'm down there responding to as many of you as I can. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't joined the TechVibe family yet, hit subscribe and turn on those notifications so you're the first to know when the official unboxing drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.